Hello everyone, today I made a boat. This is my silly little boat made of popsicle sticks. Look at it wiggle its little butt. Nyarl. Nyarl. I don't know why I built this, I just sort of felt like it, I guess. I had some old parts lying around and I was like, it would be a waste to not use these parts. So I stuck them together and made this boat, which I can't actually currently test because we don't have a bathtub anymore after I accidentally flooded it too many times and we lost the entire floor. After that, we just got rid of it and settled for a shower. Anyway, I'll give you the basic rundown. It's an old computer PC fan wired into an Arduino Uno R3 board, and currently the positive wire is not even connected because I've just got really bad breadboarding habits. Over here we've got a hairdryer motor, which I have covered in popsicle sticks to make it into a nice little streamlined air jet over here, which I must admit doesn't have the most optimal of angles pointed at the water. I probably should have put a hinge on here somewhere so that it can rotate down and be more efficient. It's definitely not a very efficient design. It runs on 5 lithium polymer 18650 3.7 volt batteries. And the Arduino board doesn't even currently have a battery pack because I haven't been to the warehouse in a while and I'm pretty sure it costs $10 in order to buy a USB power pack, and I don't currently have that. But what I do have is some copper wires and a battery pack, which makes a satisfying noise. Just look at that little purr. You can hear the wind going whoosh. If I turn it on over here, you'll probably even get a nice satisfying whoosh sound, like when you open the window in a car. I must admit it's not perfect, and there is a little bit of vibration shake on the rotation table, which is just a computer fan fault. And sometimes it does just sort of trigger on its own. It's got a lot of work in progress, but I figured I may as well just make a little note to my future self that I did something productive today. Otherwise, Monday would have been just completely a waste of time. It's not entirely true, but for effect, I thought I'd better say that. This Uno 3 board wasn't really doing anything else, so I don't know if I'm actually going to follow through with wiring this up and programming it to turn the thing around in different directions. But I also probably wouldn't want to test it yet because the hull isn't exactly looking up to structural code. This thing is a walking health violation with its giant cracks and holes in the hull, and proportional to the amount of weight that these lithium polymer cells, lithium ion cells, not lithium polymer, my bad. Probably would have already exploded if it was lithium polymer. But it's definitely pretty heavy considering it's only like 5 batteries and a hairdryer fan. And I'm pretty sure this boat would sink as soon as you put it in the water, just from weight alone and imbalance. It's very top heavy because I didn't particularly want to have a bunch of lithium ion batteries in the hull when it went down, because otherwise I'd have a bunch of explosions and, more importantly, a bunch of ruined batteries, which isn't a super expensive mistake considering I got them from $10 from a hoverboard that someone threw out, but it's still an inconvenience. Anyway, that's my silly little boat. And yes, you've clicked on it, and if you made it all the way to the end, congratulations. You've been forced to sit through my monologue. Goodbye.